day today, and we heading into the ramp with the old fishermen, and ain't a soul here. We at Lake Murray, and I want to show y'all how this water looks that they drawing in Lake Murray. All the docks is on the banks. It's not good, but I'm gonna show you a little view of the Johns Creek ramp, Lake Murray here this morning, and show you what we dealing with here and try to catch a doggone fish. I'm gonna get out the truck and look here. There ain't a soul, not a soul in the parking lot. Look out here. I want you to look. Look at the mud. Look at the mud. Huh? They done sucked the bottom out of this lake. Look at the dock, set there on the bank. Muddy waters. I'm gonna take you and give you a view of the cove at Johns Creek. And I'm hoping I can catch a couple fish. Yesterday we come out here and I got on some fish, and as soon as I got on the fish, I made about a 15-minute video or a little less, and I get a phone call and knocks my video off. By the time I get back to fishing, fish left. Look at this. Look at Johns Creek view here. Nothing but a mud hole. See that? Mud hole. Look at this. This is walking out of the dock. We got a little bit of water. With all the rain we had last night, it come up a little bit, but they'll pull it right back down. Right at the end of the dock, you got a little bit of water. Barely enough to tie the boat to. And it's a big old drop straight down. You got to watch yourself. Old man like me could hurt himself right here. So if you come to Johns Creek on a cold morning, you hit this dock right here, this ramp at a 45, you will slide down and hurt yourself. So be very careful. Hey, but this is what we're dealing with. That's a bad looking sight for a beautiful lake. But the water's way down. They're trying to kill this grass, so they say. Ain't nothing like a slime green grass, string grass. They done kill all the good grass, hydrilla and anything with leaves on it. But hey, let's go fishing. Let's unload this boat. You see the old truck, the old boat back up there. Hey, we by ourselves. We by ourselves on Lake Murray. Let's go fishing. Hello, folks. Hey, the old fisherman on Lake Murray this morning. Hadn't been doing much. We got about 8 or 10. But I think I'm on a few maybe now. We'll find out. Drop it to the bottom where the big boys lie. We're using 2 Gulp Shrimp while we're using. Beating the boat. Sun's coming out with 46 foot of water. See if we can catch a couple. Caught a couple right quick. They probably won't stay under us. We're gonna give it a shot. Went to Lake Murray because we want to watch the ball game at 12. Carolina and Virginia. So we come to Lake Murray, and we're gonna hang around here close to the house. We're gonna go home in a little bit, but we got a bite right there, so maybe we'll catch a couple on Lake Murray this morning. Another bite. Seems like the Gulp Shrimp's the only thing I can catch them on. I ain't got any minnows. Caught a couple on the Gulp Shrimp, but they liable to quit it. You know how they are. There he is. See that? There he is. Lake Murray catching white perch. Some of them nice, some of them little. Hey, but we're using a molten color and a new penny, Gulp Shrimp. What we using? 46 foot deep right now. Glad y'all could be with the old fisherman on another episode. Hope we catch enough for a video. Been tough last couple of days. There he is. Hey, we might be on something now. We might be on something now. Lake Murray, loving life. Now there's a jumbo super supreme on a doggone new penny Gulp Shrimp. New penny. Hey, drop it back down to the bottom. Uh-oh, we got a knot here. Got a little knot here. See if we can catch another one. I hope Carolina beats Virginia, and I hope Clemson wins, and I hope Alabama wins. And Clemson and Alabama for the final. That's what I hope. Be a good day of football. Gonna barbecue some chickens while I'm watching the game. Oh, there was a bump. There was a bump. Hey, we got a couple down there, believe it or not. I fished about an hour and caught a couple of those stripers. But now I'm getting a couple perch bite. You got to love a couple perch bite. Hey, oh, and I missed him. He nailed it. They want it real slow. Real slow. Uh-oh, he might have pulled it down. There he is. There he is. If you don't move it slow, you won't catch him. Gulp Shrimp, Lake Murray. Look at that. Got him on the molten color. Gulp Shrimp. Molten color. Pull my new penny down. Get it back right. Drop it to the bottom where the big boys lie. Try to catch a mess right quick. Get home. Watch the ball game. I hope everybody had a great Christmas, and I hope you have a good New Year's coming up. All right, drop it to the bottom and see if we can catch one. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh my, Lake Murray White Perch. Right out here where we caught the stripers with the flutter spoon. Perch is out here. Hey, they ain't all big, but hey, they're biting. I love action. I don't care what size they are. I love action. 47 foot. I've been fishing a little too shallow today. I've been up there around 40, 35, catching one here and one there, striping, and a couple little perch. Finally, I pulled out here a little deeper on a point, and hey, the water's falling like crazy. The ramp at Johns Creek is where I unloaded. That was biting. The dock is sitting on the bank. So, hey, it's almost to the point you can't even unload. You probably got these fish pulled back out. That's why they're way out here. Because of the falling waters. They're biting it and I'm missing. I think a lot of them small. Me and Carson went to Lake Monticello the day before yesterday. We caught a few fish, but we just couldn't get on a lot. We caught probably 25 or 30, and that's about it. Kind of slow. And then I went yesterday a little bit, and then it rained on me. I caught about the same amount. Not a lot. Kind of slow. Doggone it, they're biting, but I ain't catching. I believe they eat the minnows up. That's what I think. The minnows they probably eat up. There you is. There he is. That's a good one. That net's got some, unless I snag hooked it, could have snag hooked him. He mighty heavy. Probably snag hooked. Probably snag hooked. Oh yeah. Snag hooked. And you see the size, they ain't bad size. I tell you what, Lake Murray, that's some good eating size. Good eating size. Doggone. Can't even get this one off. All right. Just pull him out with his needle nose. Tear up my Gulp Shrimp. What are you gonna do? You got it. You got it. Drop it back down. See if we can get him done. Gotta catch a mess. Oh, they don't leave me. There he is. There he is. We got him. Gulp Shrimp, Lake Murray. Look at that. New penny. Got my hook all bent up. From that last one I got off, I didn't realize I'd have bent my hook up like that. Really bent it up. Get it back up here. It still ain't right. Crooked. Twisted it. That looks better. That looks better. Drop back down, see if we catch a nut. I don't see a lot of them down there. If you don't, if you don't fish for them, you won't know they're there. It's that simple. You got to fish for them to know they're there. They're biting it on the way down. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh my, that's a nice one there. That's the kind we're looking for right there, a little bit bigger. Look at that. Oh yeah, molten Gulp Shrimp. Molten Gulp Shrimp. What I got, since I'm fishing so deep, is I got a lead above each one of my jigs on each line. Double leads, get it down there a little quicker. Double rig with 2 swivels and 2 leads just to get it down there, because we're fishing 46 foot deep. That's how we're catching them. And I'm just dropping it down, let it get to the bottom and kind of twitching a little bit, easing it up just a little bit, real softly. Yo-yo it down, let it fall, twitch it again. Like that. Oh, I missed him. He hit it. I missed him. There you go. Oh, Lord, I missed him again. They hitting it, I tell you. They hitting it. Might have pulled my jigs down. I missed 2 bites right there. Now I can't get a bite. Check that jig. I think we done pulled something down. Oh yeah, both of them pulled down. They don't want it if it's pulled down. All right, let's drop it to the bottom. I see a few fish down there. Line's all wrapped up here for some reason. I got Gulp Shrimp. They're bumping it. They ain't taking it. Bumping at it. That's perch down there. Right there. Wanting darn melons. They want melons. There was another bite. They want melons. What they want. They're biting so sorry, that's what they want, melons. They're biting again. They want melons. You come out of Lake Murray, you better bring melons, buddy. Look at that. Yeah. Hey, day. Hey, had him again. They bumping it. Stir them up, we might catch one in a minute. They biting it every time it goes down. Every time it goes down. Can't catch them. I don't know if they're babies or what. Finally got it. Finally got it. Ain't no baby neither. He's a big one. Those suckers just don't want to bite. Is what it is. They don't want to bite. Look at that, what that was a darn old rockfish. Shoot. Darn old rockfish. That's what it is. Darn old rockfish. That's exactly what they are. They ain't. That was a bite. There's one. There's one. There's one. Nice one too. Spitting up all kind of stuff off that bottom. Drop it down, see if we can get a nothing. Hey, we're catching a couple. Very few. Fishing the last couple of days has been tough. Don't know why. I think all this rain's got something to do with it. Too much rain, too much fresh water. And then they're pulling the water out of Lake Murray so bad. There you are. See that? You got to keep aggravating these suckers, they bite. And there's a good fish. There in water here, unless he's snagged. Something snagged, I guess. Oh yeah, something snagged in the side. They hit that the top one and I caught him with the bottom one. What happened? Hit the top. Won't take it. There you go. Finally got a bite. I tell you what, it's a struggle. It's a struggle. Good fish too. It's a struggle. Don't mind telling you. Some big perch out there. The jokers don't want to bite. It's the problem. They just don't want to bite. He hit the gut shrimp. Bit it off. Messed it up. But he hit the gut shrimp. We catch a nothing on him. I'll tell you what, something slow going, really slow going. Fish everywhere down there. Oh my gosh. There's one. There's one. Got my other line, but there's one. What kind of mess I'm gonna have, but we finally caught one. Probably a big mess. Big old perch, that's what they are. Right there. What they are. Big old perch. Just don't wait. We got a genuine mess too, buddy. I mean a genuine mess too. Took a while to get this out. Fighting this. I'll tell you that right now, I'll cut it before I fight it. I'll cut it before I fight it. And that's what I done. I lost it too. Dropped the wrong end. Hell, they wouldn't bite that no how. Get that out of the way. They ain't taking it. There you go. There you go. Got him that time. That ain't no perch though. That's the daggone striper, I believe. No, that's a big old perch. Look at that. Look at the size of that perch. Jumbo Magnum. Jumpers just don't want to bite. What the problem is, they don't want to bite. Got to get them going. 47 foot of water. Got to get them going. They down there. They sure are. It's raining. Got wet a while ago. Maybe they'll bite after this rain. There's plenty of perch down there. Plenty of them. See if we can catch them. Awful day. It's warm. It's not cold, but it's a rainy day. Rainy day. Hey, oh, there he was. They down there. I believe if I had him up there, yes, he nailed it. He nailed it. What? Good one too. There's some good ones out here. Jumbo Super Supremes out here, buddy. I mean, hey, day. Pulling like crazy. Doggone striper, that's why.